downside to working for an innovative Swedish edtech company that's at the forefront to changing how we create e-learning tools is living in Sweden in January. So as an instructional designer myself, I also project manage some of our biggest projects here at Fabella. I also use AI to help me with some of my daily tasks. So this week I've been testing the outputs from ChatGPT Business, Gemini Pro, Claude Pro, 4 of the top performing custom GPTs according to instructional design, our own tool, Copilot, and a few others. The conclusion that I've came to is that all of them can give you a pretty good course overview and structure for a new e-learning course. They can write nice learning objectives based on Bloom's taxonomy. The standard is that you usually get 3, but you can prompt for more or less. It can write quite convincing scripts. The problem is that when you want to then create that training that you've written or customized, you only got a piece of text. What do you do with it? You need to then take that information to a new course authoring tool and either copy and paste every single line of the quiz you've made, every answer, every feedback to every answer, whether it's right or wrong. You need to find a different tool where you can storyboard. You need to find a different tool where you can create the visuals, maybe Canva, Figma. You end up using 3 or 4 or 5 different platforms just to create one training. And that doesn't save anybody time. You're then using all of your precious time copying and pasting text from one program to another. Whereas what I think you should be doing is using all of that experience to create something that's valuable, to use your time in a sensible way. You're the professionals when it comes to instructional design. You don't want to use your time copying and pasting information from one program to another. And that's exactly what vibe authoring will solve. We'll take all of those menial tasks and automate them, freeing up your time for something a lot more worthwhile.